हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब। उम्मीद करूंगा आप सब अच्छे होंगे। फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट टू सऊदी अरेबिया, EPC contracting company. Walk-in interview on shortly at Mumbai in Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Position: HSE designer, piping designer, telecom designer, instrument designer, electrical designer, civil and structural designer, mechanical rotary design engineer, HSE design engineer, piping design engineer, telecom design engineer, process design engineer, electrical design engineer, civil and structural design engineer, mechanical startup design engineer. Desired candidate profile: all candidates should have relevant experience in engineering company with oil and gas EPC projects. Benefits provided by company: attractive salary plus free food plus accommodation plus transportation plus other benefits. Job descriptions: free recruitment to UAE, shutdown project. Walk-in interview on shortly at Mumbai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Fitter pipe, general, mechanical, fire, hole watcher, rigger, driver heavy, driver light, pipe fabricator, operator A&P, trailer, tanker driver, multi-welder, GTAW plus SMAW piping. T-boy, janitor, helper, should have experience in their relevant field. Benefits provided by company: free food plus accommodation plus transportation. Job descriptions: recruitment to Kuwait, oil and gas project. Walk-in interview on 13th and the 14th of July 2024 at Chennai. Piping design engineer 10-year express, 1000 Kuwaiti dinars. Piping design engineer 6-year express, 600 Kuwaiti dinars. Instrument design engineer 10 years express, 1000 Kuwaiti dinars. Instrument design engineer 4 years express, 400 Kuwaiti dinars. Civil design engineer 1000 Kuwaiti dinars. Piping draftsman 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Surveyor 250 Kuwaiti dinars. Technical assistant 175 Kuwaiti dinars. Desired candidate profile: above all, candidates qualified in respect of discipline and having relevant experience in similar industry need to apply. Abdul Hadi Al AFOWLL Careers, recruitment to Bahrain. Walk-in interview on the 14th of July 2024 at Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Position: QC engineer, civil negotiable, land surveyor, 700 Bahraini dinars. Safety officer, NEBOSH, 700 Bahraini dinars. Hydraulic mechanic, 180 Bahraini dinars. Diesel mechanic, 180 Bahraini dinars. Petrol mechanic, 180 Bahraini dinars. Auto electrician, 180 Bahraini dinars. Pipe fitter, 120 Bahraini dinars. Welder, 120 Bahraini dinars. GRP laminator, 120 Bahraini dinars. Mason, 120 Bahraini dinars. Shuttering carpenter, 120 Bahraini dinars. Steel fixer, 120 Bahraini dinars. Labor, 100 Bahraini dinars. Desired candidate profile: candidates must have 2 to 3 years experience in relevant field. Age limit below 40 years. Benefits provided by company: 8 hours duty plus OT plus accommodation plus transportation plus medical provided by the company. Urgent jobs in Dubai with visa, multiple companies. CV shortlisting in progress at Noida. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Position: cleaner factory, 1000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Cleaner Hospital 1000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Police Station Cleaner 1000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Mosque, Masjid Cleaner 1000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Union Coop Cleaner Supermarket 1000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Security Guard 1600 United Arab Emirates dirhams. ITI Fitter 2000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Welder TIG, MIG, ARC 2000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Experience candidates required. Benefits provided by company. Food plus accommodation plus transportation provided plus leave benefit.